Big ol' seats for this old timer. Leather steering wheel, grips tighter. Column shifter slide into drive. Trusty truck and a happy rider. Oh yeah. City traffic all around. Hybrids buzzing on down. Truck 4 doors, big ass bed so wide. Neighbors shake their heads. Sitting high, kiss the sky. City folks roll their eyes. Roll, 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 roll their eyes. Everybody hates my big old ride. From up here I see far and wide. Seats lean back like an old recliner. Floats like luxury ocean liner. Big ass ocean liner. Noisy tires make ears bleed. Miles just to get her up to speed. Parking can't take my height. A tendency of fucking a ride. Deep in the mud, I'm king. City cars simply sing. Call me old, stuck in the past. Heavy low folks call me fast. $10 latte, talk of being woke. Driving toxic lithium, ready to explode. Nasty online comments, pretend to give a fuck. Electric piece of shit is always getting stuck. Everybody hates my big old ride. From up here I see far and wide. Seats lean back like an old recliner. Floats like luxury ocean liner. Big ass ocean liner. Girls feet up on the dash. Fuel is 30 gallons, liquid cash. Country bumping, woofer loud. Waking neighbors shaking the ground. Headlights through the midnight road. Traffic blinded, flipping the bird. Understand the love for my beast. Next ride just might be bigger than this. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Damn shocks creak, heavy mud arcade. Heavy beast leans from all this weight. Middle of no man's land, shoot a few cans. Bullets whistle cuts across the desert land. Everybody hates my big old ride. From up here I see far and wide. Seats lean back like an old recliner. Floats like luxury ocean liner. Big ass ocean liner. Tomorrow's bright and early, we start again. Sure. City is for folks with online fame. Ain't no silly dance or selfie screen. Nah. Dirt trail is my perfect scene. Roll on mud, cowboy.